Hi, let me show you how to track sleep with the help of your iPhone 16e. For that, we are gonna need this default Apple's app, which is Health app. So open it and make sure that you're signed in here. Now, in the Summary tab on the bottom, you should find Sleep section. And to set up sleep, we need to click blue button Get Started. So let's tap Continue, and now we need to set schedule. Let's say my goal is 8 hours of sleep every day. Here we'll see this schedule. We can edit it immediately. For example, my bedtime is 11:30 and wake up 7 a.m. Or we can adjust it like that. So basically you can manually set a schedule. Here you can pick days active. Let's say I don't want for this schedule to be on my weekend, so I'm gonna disable Saturday and Sunday. And also we can enable alarm for this schedule, adjust its volume, enable snooze. Also go in sounds and haptics, adjust its sound as well as haptics. And right now, if you're satisfied with changes, you just need to tap done. And you can also add a schedule for other days, which were my Sunday and Saturday. So here you can set another schedule if needed. But basically, we just need to tap Next, and this is how it looks now. So here you can find features that are on, which is sleep screen, wind down for 15 minutes, and sleep focus. Tap done, and this is how it looks now. You can go in additional details and change wind down time, also change sleep goal, and enable or disable sleep reminders and sleep results. If you can see that switchers are green, then those features are turned on. Here you can read some info about sleep, just like that, so you'll get such notifications. Also, we can add corresponding widget to our home screen. For that, press and hold any free space on the screen, click on Edit, and click Add Widget. So in this list, you need to find Sleep. So let's pick Health. And here we need to find Sleep. Maybe it is not here, maybe it's separate tab. Yep, here it is. Click it. And now you can pick either this widget or this one. So here you can see how you slept and review your schedule. And here you can view your recent sleep session, including sleep stages. Let's add this one. I'm gonna click it and tap done. So basically, if you will wake during night and if you unlock your phone during night, it will be saved as your wake up time. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.